This is the PureAir Sense from Vent-Axia. One of the key features of this premium fan is it is set up, controlled and commissioned by the Vent-Axia Connect app. For total control and flexibility, simply download the Vent-Axia Connect app and select the PureAir Sense. Once open, you can set up and adjust any of the features by simply clicking on the menu. You have a manual boost, which will boost to full power for 10 minutes. You can pause the fan, or you can adjust the timer, humidity sensor, constant speed, light sensor, air quality sensor, or the airing function. For more information, please see the individual feature videos or download from wherever you get your apps.